Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. We got the 2021 Hit Parade James Bond Gold Edition Series 2. It is case 2. What do I got here? Just want to make sure. All right. Cool. Whoa, there we are. I'm gonna put the link in there for the wrestling for you guys if anyone does want to get in on it. Said 9 to 10 spots are available. It's the last one we need to get sold out. 22-100. Ooh, that's not what I wanted. Let's try that again. All right. 62. 14. 41. 82. 30. 50. 90. 70. And 8. All right, let's do it. Nine times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Six times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, have you seen any of these movies, Tyler?
Which ones?
James Bond.
I have not.
Okay. 50 to Keith, 14 to Robert S., 30 to JDS, 90 to Edward S., 62 to Robert S., 41 to Carol G., 70 to Robert S., 22 to Donnie G., 82 to Daniel N., and 8 to Carol G.
I gotta get out of my game.
I recommend, there's a new one that's coming out. The Daniel Craig ones are top notch. You like action movies?
Yeah.
They're good movies. A lot of action. I can't speak for the older ones. I've never seen any of the other ones, but only the Daniel Craig ones I can speak for.
Probably check them out.
Yeah. If you got a minute. I know you're a busy guy. That's an understatement. Sean Bean. I got my Sean Bean auto on a 007 card. All right, we have, what's that, thick card? License to Kill. Fran Sanchez Airplane Window Relic. That's kind of cool.
That is.
That's out of 400.
Unique.
It is. Daniel, this is your box 82 and your auto, Steven Berkoff. From that movie.
Intriguing.
As you were. Eight. Let's see here. That's Carol. Your box. All right, we're at 2 o'clock, ladies and gentlemen. winding down here. Winding down our breaks. Pierce Brosnan, Daniel Craig. Old school. Alright, what do we got here? Who do we have in this one? Isaac D. Banco from Casino Royale. And Priscilla Barnes, License to Kill. 2 on-card autos for you. Very nice. There will be more James Bond. I'm pretty sure everything that we're seeing here, there will be another form of it, one way or the other. Like I said, if there's anyone new here, there's Lord of the Rings, Hit Parade, Walking Dead, Stranger Things, and Walking Dead, Stranger Things, Lord of the Rings. I'm missing one now. Harry Potter. Harry Potter's the other line. 41. Oh, here you go, Carol. This is your second box. We're going to bring up music.
Yes.
See if they can do some type of music thing.
I wrote it all down.
You wrote it all down? Excellent.
Specifics.
All right. I like it. Reality TV. That was another suggestion in the chat. If you guys have any other suggestions, let us know. Boxbreaks@dacardworld.com. I will most certainly pass that along to Tony and the guys. You never know. It's an old 1979 Moonraker. We have movie posters. You got that feature presentation. That's movies as well. You got the Chung auto from Skyfall on card. And Richard Samuel from Casino Royale.
How many James Bond movies are there?
20 some odd movies.
Really?
Yeah, and James Bond has been played by multiple different actors
Right.
throughout the years. But yeah, I want to say there's 20 some odd
There's
movies.
still one called the earlier
Yep.
name. Really?
Way back.
Oh my.
Yep. Box 70. Robert S. This one is yours. Yeah, they're working. Actually, right now, the Hit Parade team is working on a new mystery box. We'll have some back here for Jersey John on the weekend to rip. We have coin. They have coins. They do coins.
That was pretty sick.
Shipwreck edition. Yeah, all kinds of stuff. Stamps. Oh, they've got. Oh, there's a new line. It's going to be Archives cards, Archive edition. And it's going to be all older cards, like pre-70s cards. That one's coming out. They're doing a wacky pack. They're doing another garbage pail. Just all kinds of crazy stuff coming down the line here. Ludger Pistor, Casino Royale. A lot of Casino Royale representing in this break. We got a Beswick. This is an older one. From Russia with Love. Both on card. Box 14, Robert S. Ooh, we got a congratulations on the top. Let's see what it is. We got to get to it. What's it gonna be? Oh, he's having a good time. What do we got here? What is gonna happen? Well, congratulations on your hit. It's probably on the bottom. Terrence Mountain of Her Majesty's Secret Service. Oh, we got a twofer. It's a fivefer. Holy moly. All right. Lana Wood, Maud Adams on the back. And this would be the front. Britt Eklund, Luciana Palusi, and Carolyn Monroe.
So close.
What?
Marilyn Monroe.
Oh, okay, yeah. So there you go. 5 Bond girls on that one. That's cool. Very nice. That's from Leaf 2013. Going back a little bit right there. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. All right. What else we got? That was for Robert. Now this box 90, is Edward. Yeah, that's legit, right? Yeah, that was box 14, and 14 was Robert S. Maybe I wonder if we can get another double. Oh, here we go. This is out of 125, Quantum of Solace, just in our little pack right there. Oh, look at this one, and a relic. So we got a numbered card and a relic. Nuclear Bunker Suit from World Not Enough. As I said, you got to look through these. You know, Sean Bean. That's the card of the break right there. Give me a Sean Bean auto. That would make my day. Mr. Bean would make my day, but that was Johnny English, so that wouldn't be in here. We have A View to Kill. I like how he signed it up there. Like he was given all of this room, and he just right up here. Good job, Patrick. '62, Robert S. Yeah, I mean, you never know. That's the name of the game. It's kind of nice. That's why we did them as cases. It's nice that they're doing that now. You see, they're offering up more cases. So if you buy a case, you got that case hit opportunity. That's cool. Limited edition coin, stamped 447. From World's Not Enough. Little bonus there for you, Robert. All right. Halle Berry. Moonraker. Drax Industries Jumpsuit Relic. That's out of 900. And Grand Bush License to Kill auto. Excuse me. 50. Keith. What you got? All right, Keith. Old school card. Oop, stuck behind there. Denise Richards. Oh, hold on. I got another card. There we go. It's probably a lot of people's childhood crush, right? We've got Shane Rimmer, The Spy Who Loved Me. Not Me, that's the name of the movie. And David Calder. What is this from? As Sir Robert King in The World Is Not Enough. A couple more on-card autos. Going to you, Keith. No? There it is. 2 boxes left in this one. 22. Donnie G. Oh, okay, fair enough. Called Classic Starship Troopers. Whew. Difficulty with that one. Miss Moneypenny. Eve Green. What's in here? Jesper Christensen, Casino Royale. And Angela Scholar from On Her Majesty's Secret Service. And again, 2 on-guard autos. All kinds of hits going to be going out today. We got a lot to package up after this.
Yes, we do.
JDS, 30 of 100. Yeah, JDS. Okay. We've got Reynolds Submarine Shirt, $7.75. And we have a Chin Auto from Casino Royale. We've got a lot of the Casino Royale autos. Very nice. There we go. Highlighted by that 5-time auto. Very nice. All right. So we're going to give this away. This is a goofy little thing here. I got excited when I saw this stuffed animal. But so we got an Invincible Iron Man cup. And then this is the old Flipazoos. If you ever heard of Flipazoos. 2 animals in one. The old Flipazoo. All right, let's see. I need the random again. Both items to one person. What do we got? Flipazoo. I've got a few of the small. My wife and I, we do the mystery minis, and we've got tiny Flipazoos, so I got excited over that. I may be the only person in the whole world that got excited over this stuffed animal, so what can I say? 4 times. That's the truth. You know, I only speak the truth. You know I get excited over weird things. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Carol, it's going to you. 2 items this time. The flip and cup. Flip cup. Oops. Wow. Fingers aren't working anymore. All right, there we go. I want that back. All right, give me 1 minute.